Okay, so I told you I'm going to take it for a full test run, and this is the video. So I finally put a tire with more grip because I don't want to be conquered by such short grass. I am not going to be conquered that easily. So basically this tire would allow me to harness the full torque of this beautiful drill right here. And then I have a RC receiver, RC speed controller, and then a 11.1 volt lithium polymer battery. All the electronics are covered by this plastic here, just to stop any mud from getting into the electronics. We don't really want that. Switch on the speed controller, that tiny little switch. Switch on the remote, and look at that. It's ready to go. We'll reverse. All right. Now, just to show you how efficient this tire is, I'm going to go right over here, just a little corner, to see if it actually works. If it gets stuck, then we know we solved nothing. All right, we'll reverse. Turn in. No, we're just getting even more stuck. All right, so we'll go over here. Look at that. I managed to come out of it. Got power. Main question is, does this thing know how to wheelie? That's the question. Ooh, that thing is hot. Okay, let's see if I can get this baby to wheelie. No, but at least I have more torque, which is good. All right, let's go. Oh, ho, ho, ho. So close. Got power. Reverse. I can't get stuck here. Come on. It's like I just keep on getting drawn in. Huh? Try like that. Turning well. Not bad. In the other direction. Not bad. Eesh, that was close. Let's do some gravel test runs. Now that's power. Go back. In the mud. Maximum power. Ah, I got sucked in. Wait. Stuck there. Turn.